So this one is just a quick video to show you about the contract approval workflow. So in the previous video, we had seen that the contract was submitted to somebody called Kyle, right? So that particular instance is not available, but I'll quickly show you which is the workflow which you need to customize and make sure that it goes through auto approval. Okay, if you need it to be auto approved. So let's go to, I'm just clicking on the BPM. So you go here and say contract star and click on the play button. So you have all these things. So this contract approval is the one which you need to, configure. So you can see under assignees, we have a bunch of assignees, and this one's active right now. Contract approvals. It's rule based. If you click on this contract approval, you can see different rules here. Okay. So I think this one is active in this instance. So you have this Calvin Roth and everything, but this is your typical workflow. You can customize this to make sure it is auto approved. Okay. Just wanted to show this to you quickly. Thank you.